Hello and welcome to a quick video tutorial of the RMI community, a new social network brought to you by the Resource Management Institute. All members of the Resource Management Institute have access to this network, so let's get started. On the home page, click the login and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you are taken to the main activity page of the RMI community. This page contains all recent activity going on in the community, from new posts in our forums to any profile updates. So think about your personal LinkedIn page or your Twitter feed, same idea here, giving you up to date on the recent activity that has been going on in the RMI community. There are some forum topics that have been replied to, profile picture changes, etc., etc. So let's go up and check out the profile page. I have filled out mine, so we'll go there now. But let me show you some of the functionality. In the new RMI community, you can load a profile picture as well as a cover image. Similar to the navigation top right, you also have navigation here throughout the community as well. So let's look at that in a little more detail. So through your navigation here on the top right, you'll be able to edit your profile. This is specific activity that you have taken part in or participated in. Here's your profile settings, any new notifications you might have, any new messages you might have, new friends, friend requests, groups you might want to start or been a part of. Here's our forums. I'll get to that in a moment. And of course your settings. This little icon here, this white blue as you see, this is where you'll be told about any new notifications going on when you first log in. Speaking of navigation, I would like to bring your attention to these two choices here. The RMI community and the RMI community forums. At any time, wherever you are in the RMI community, you can click on this button or this link here. This should look familiar. This takes you back to the RMI community page, as well as our forums. This takes you to the main forums page. So this is the last thing I would like to bring to your attention. In here, community members gain access to discussions and conversations with resource management industry peers. Members can ask questions, interact with others, share best practices. What we've got going in the forum right now, introduce yourself if you want to, if you're new to the community, jump in here, say hello. Any events that are going on that will affect resource workforce management industry, general resource management topics, as well as a deep dive into candidate sourcing and development, forecasting future needs, skills inventory, etc., etc. All members can start topics, reply to topics, share. So really a cool little element here in the RMI community is this forums. So just a quick walkthrough of the RMI community, the new social network from the Resource Management Institute. As with any network, it gets better with continued participation and engagement. So I hope you join the community and start to meet, collaborate, and discuss resource management with your industry peers.